So you have probably watched already my very first video about my 5-1 top journey, and that was about my initial interview. And luckily, I passed.
So, right after I had passed my initial interview earlier, this time, sorry about that. This time, I will proceed with the pre-service orientation, which is scheduled at, it says 17:30, so that's around, it's 5:30 in the afternoon, so I'm just on time. And I've already sent those particular details that they need from me.
So, guys, we are done with our attendance for the PSO, and according to the facilitator, she will be sending us the Zoom link in 10 minutes. So, we're just waiting for the link now. And they're quite strict because they always have this reminder to make sure that our cameras and headsets are working properly. And cellular phones or tablets aren't allowed, so we need to make sure that we are using a laptop or a desktop.
we are done for the service. For the pre-service orientation. I didn't expect that it's not necessary to like wear headbands. Maybe I'm just too excited because that's what it says in the email. And anyways, so that ends the pre-service orientation. It's just very simple though. They are just giving us like literally the um orientation, the background about 5-1 talk, do's and don'ts, all those kind of stuff. So the facilitator simply provides like the summary of how things work, what are the requirements in order for us to proceed to onboarding, and finally to our NTT. So right now, I just need to wait until Friday, June 17 at 6 p.m. for the onboarding. And we're also waiting for the instructions via email on what to do.